What are closing costs and what is included in a closing cost? Who pays for closing costs and when do you need to pay them? Hi, I'm Theresa Zech, real estate agent in Phoenix, Arizona with AZ & Associates Real Estate. I'm Theresa Homes AZ. I understand what money you need to buy a home is very overwhelming. What is closing? This is the date that the home is officially yours. It is the date the title actually transfers into your name and is recorded at the city. As part of this process, there are closing costs associated with every real estate transaction. Closing costs are fees associated when buying or selling real estate. These fees vary depending on where you live, the property you buy, and the type of loan you choose. These fees can be typically 2 to 5% of the purchase price of the home. So if you're buying a $100,000 home, your closing costs would be $2,000 to $5,000 that you would need to bring on closing day. Some fees you may see are the application fee. This covers the cost for your lender to process your transaction. Ask your lender what's included with this fee. We are a title and escrow state here in Arizona. This fee is paid to the title escrow company, or in some states are attorney states, which require additional fee to have a real estate attorney to be present at closing. Courier fees are associated with transferring documents as needed throughout the transaction. There's credit report fees associated with pulling your credit. Mortgage insurance and property taxes are often required to be 2 months of reserves for both the mortgage insurance and your taxes. And for HOA fees, there can be multiple fees associated with the homeowners association. Some are required to be paid by the seller, others to be paid by the buyer, and some are negotiable. This varies within each HOA community. This is not a complete list of fees. We can work with your lender and the title and escrow company early on in the process to be sure you understand what your closing costs will be. There are a few additional fees that can be outside of the closing costs. Your inspection fee is paid at the time of your inspection, and your appraisal fee can also be paid at the time of service or can be included in your closing costs. At 3 business days before closing, your lender will give you your closing disclosure statement. This document will outline all of your closing fees and is something that should be right in line with your original loan estimate. Finally, how you pay your closing costs. These are the final dollars can be brought in with a check to the title and escrow company at close or can be wired from your bank directly. At times, closing costs can be negotiated with the seller, but during times like these in a strong seller's market, that just isn't the case. Again, I'm Theresa Zech with AZ & Associates Real Estate. Please give me a call at 480-369-0072 if you have any more questions on what closing costs are when buying a home. Thank you again for taking time to watch this video. Live and love life in Phoenix and have a great day.